On a misty morning, Captain Curious and her adventurous crew, Sailor Sam, Adventure Annie, and Curious Cat, discovered an ancient clock hidden in the attic of an old lighthouse. The clock was ornate, with golden gears and mysterious symbols etched into its face. "Look at this!" Captain Curious exclaimed, her eyes sparkling with excitement. "This clock is no ordinary timepiece. It can transport us to different times." The crew gathered around, their hearts pounding with anticipation. "Where should we go first?" Sailor Sam asked, adjusting his hat. Captain Curious turned the clock's hands, and with a whirring sound, they were transported to the age of dinosaurs. They found themselves in a lush, prehistoric jungle, surrounded by towering ferns and the distant roars of dinosaurs. "Wow!" Adventure Annie gasped. "Look at those giant creatures." A friendly triceratops approached, its eyes curious. "Welcome, travelers," it said. "In this era, we learn the importance of adapting to our environment." The crew observed how the dinosaurs lived in harmony with nature, adapting to their surroundings. They learned that flexibility and resilience were key to survival. Captain Curious turned the clock's hands again, and they were whisked away to a medieval castle. Knights in shining armor practiced jousting in the courtyard, and the air was filled with the sounds of clanging swords and laughter. "Greetings, noble travelers," a knight said, bowing. "In this era, we value bravery and chivalry." The crew watched as the knights helped each other, showing courage and honor in their actions. They learned that true bravery was not just about fighting battles, but also about standing up for what is right and helping others. Curious Cat nudged Captain Curious, and she turned the clock's hands once more. This time they found themselves in a futuristic city, with towering skyscrapers and flying cars zipping through the sky. "Welcome to the future," a robot greeted them. "In this era, we embrace innovation and cooperation." The crew marveled at the advanced technology and how people work together to solve problems. They learned that progress was achieved through teamwork and creative thinking. As the adventure came to an end, Captain Curious turned the clock's hands one last time, bringing them back to the present. They stood on the deck of the enchanted explorer, the ancient clock in hand. "Each era taught us something valuable," Captain Curious said, her voice filled with wonder. "Adaptability, bravery, and cooperation are timeless lessons." The crew nodded, their hearts full of the wisdom they had gained. They knew that no matter where or when they were, these lessons would guide them on their future adventures. And so, with the ancient clock safely stored, Captain Curious and her crew sailed into the horizon, ready for whatever adventures awaited them next. And that, my fellow adventurers, is how Captain Curious and her crew discovered that the greatest lessons are timeless, learned through the magic of exploration and the wonders of time.